Hey guys, it's Mary, and I am here to share with you the new Tailored Expressions Quad Club for July. So, pretty teal envelopes. So the theme of these monthly quads have been party. And she's continuing this month with a word party. And it says celebrate, yay, love, and thanks. And so if you've watched the other quad videos, you know that you take a full sheet of cardstock. And then the stencils, you do four different sections at the same time. So let me show you. The first quad video, I did the whole quad to show you. So if you're not familiar with these and you want to check that out, that will be a good one to watch, because we're just going to look at these this month. We're not gonna do them. But I do have do I have one handy? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. All right, so each stencil is numbered, and there's usually 4 stencils. And so you would get your cardstock and cut it to size. It's 9 by 12, and then 8.5 by 11, and then cut off ever so slightly. So this would be your first panel. Let me see if I can get a piece of white cardstock. I don't know if you'll be able to see. No, that's going to make it worse. All right. And I don't have a full sheet of dark cardstock. Let's see if you can see. No, this is gray. Nope. Okay. We'll just look at it this way. All right. So this would be your first panel and your first color. So, you know, you could do, normally you would do each of these the same color. But with these, because they've got some little sprinkles and things, you could do the main ones in the one color, and then do these little, like the hearts, and then these in a different one. So that would be your first panel, your first layer. And then this would be your second. And you're building up and building up. This would be the third one. And then finishing off with the fourth one. So I don't know if I put them all together. I don't know that you could see all the way through. Maybe. It says celebrate on this one. This one says love. This one says yay. And then this one says thanks. So let me bring this up closer so you can see. There's always, excuse me, there's always 2 different recipes on here, and it tells you this one was done with these colors: pink champagne, Dijon, oyster, and blueberry. Which these are all her colors, but anything closer, just whatever you like, you can use. And then this one, cotton, candy corn, blueberry, dragon fruit, and blue raspberry. And then any little extras that they've done. And so, and here it is in like oranges and tangerine and yellows. So it gives you an idea. Look at how fun this is with all the little different colors. I just think that's just so cute. I do wish, to be honest with you, I do wish that there was a little bit more generic words. Like celebrate and yay is great. But I don't send out a lot of love cards. So hello would have been nice. You know, hi there. You know, whatever would have fit. I mean, celebrate. You could have gotten hi there in, or just a note. So I'll definitely be using these two. This one, but not this one so much. Unless everybody in my family gets a love you on their birthday. So, which is, you know, I do love them. So that would work, I suppose. So, but I have been enjoying the Quad Club. You have to pay in advance, and so the 3 months ended, and now there's another 3 months. And I think the rumor is that it's going to go to the end of the year, and then maybe something new is coming. And if so, I sure hope it's still the Quad, because I really enjoy making, you know, all the cards at the same time. So anyway, so that's it. That's the July Quad Club by Tailored Expressions. And it's called Word Party. Maybe they'll squeak in a Word Party 2.0 and do the words that I just talked about. So anyway, so let me know if you've signed up. They just had sign-ups again for the next 3 months. If by chance you signed up for the Quad Club. If you've used a quad stencil, she makes them for slim lines, and you know, she's got Christmas ones, not just the club, but not just the club. She has them individually too. So I've always thought they were fun. So anyway, so let me know in comments what you think. That's it. So thanks for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't hit that like button and you like the video, please hit it. If you haven't subscribed but you'd like to, that subscribe button is right there, and then you can hit the bell and it will send you a notification when there is a new video to be watched. So that's it for this time. Short, sweet, simple. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.